Hey guys, welcome back to the session. Now we are going to start first chapter, real numbers. Already in previous classes you learnt about different types of classification of numbers. Let us recall them. Those are what? Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. These integers are divided into again positive and negative. Rational numbers, irrational numbers. These are what? Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Let us discuss about this briefly. First we discuss about natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by capital N and all countable numbers are called natural numbers. All countable numbers are called natural numbers. That is n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. That is natural numbers are starting from 1 and all countable numbers are called natural numbers. Second one is whole numbers. Whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by capital W. That is, whole numbers means what here? The natural numbers along with 0. Natural numbers along with 0. Along with 0 are called whole numbers. That is, W is equals to what? The set containing which elements here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Next, third one is integers. Integers are denoted by capital Z. That is, integers means what? Set of positive and negative. Set of positive and negative numbers including 0. Set of positive and negative numbers including 0 are called what? Integers. That is, integer set is defined as what? Z equals to -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Once see here, this -5, -4, -3, -2, -1 are what? Negative natural numbers. And these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. These are what? Positive natural numbers. And including which one here? 0. The combination of positive, negative and including 0 are called integers. Next one is rational numbers. Rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by Q. And rational numbers means what here? The numbers which can be expressed in the form of P by Q. The numbers which can be expressed in the form of P by Q. And here the conditions are what? P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. Then we call that those are rational numbers. For example here, rational numbers means 2 by 3, 3 by 5, minus 7, minus 6 and 5 by 4, like this. That is, these numbers are expressed in the form of what? P by Q. 2 by 3. Here 2 means here this is P. Here 3 means this is Q. It is in the form of what? P by Q. And these 2 and 3 are what? Integers. And one more condition is what? Q is not equals to 0. That is, here Q is not equals to 0. The numbers which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0, are called what? Rational numbers. Here one question, that is 1 by 0 and 0 by 1. These two are rational or not? Reply your answer in comment section. Next one is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are denoted by Q dash. That is, irrational numbers means the numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q. The numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q are called irrational numbers. That is, irrational numbers like as some root 2, root 3, root 5, so on. These type of numbers are called what? Irrational numbers. That is, these numbers cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q. That's why these are called what? Irrational numbers. These are the different types of classification of numbers. Now coming to the real numbers. That is, real numbers means what? The combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Are called real numbers. And real numbers are denoted by what? Capital R. That is, R equals to what? Combination of rational numbers. That is, rational numbers are denoted by Q. And irrational numbers. That is, Q union Q dash are called real numbers. The combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. That is, R equals to Q union Q dash. Now let us see diagrammatic representation of number system. That is, here once you observe this diagram represents what? Natural numbers is subset to whole numbers. Whole numbers is subset to integers. Integers is subset to rational numbers. Now let us see. That is, n equals to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. and whole numbers. W equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. That is natural numbers and whole numbers difference is what? Whole numbers means all the natural numbers, that is these all are what? Natural numbers along with 0. All the natural numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. That is all the elements present in natural numbers are also in whole numbers. That's why n is a subset to W. That is natural numbers is a subset of whole numbers. Now let us see integers. Integer set means what here? Z equals to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, so on. One see here. In the whole number set we are having what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. One see in the integer set also. Here up to here, these are what? Negative natural numbers. And from this onwards once you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. These elements are same as what? Whole number set elements. This means what? All the elements of whole numbers are also in what? Integers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on are in whole number set and also in integers. That's why here the condition is what? W is a subset to Z. That is whole numbers is a subset of integers. And next coming to the next one is what? Rational numbers. Rational numbers. Rational numbers means what? Which can be expressed in the form of what? P by Q. Where P and Q are what? Integers. And one more condition is what? Q is not equals to 0. Once you see here, the numbers which are expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are what here? Integers. Integers means what? The combination of negative and positive numbers along with 0 are called what? Integers. That's why here integers is a subset of rational numbers. That is Z is a subset to Q. That is first one is what? Natural numbers is a subset of whole numbers. Whole numbers is a subset of integers and integers is a subset of rational numbers. Finally, n is a subset to W. W is a subset to Z and Z is a subset to Q. This is what? Rational number set and this is what? Irrational number set. What is real numbers here? Before we discuss now, that is R equals to the combination of rational and irrational. R equals to Q union Q dash. The combination of rational and irrational numbers are called what? Real numbers.
If you want to continue with this channel, make sure you continue to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.